Hi guys, welcome back. I'm currently in Yazd, a small city 270 kilometers away out of Isfahan, and I'm staying with a couchsurfing host. He's very laid back. His name is Amir. Say hi, Amir.
Hello.
Hello. What are you watching? Amir is watching football like any other Iranian, but the nicer one is Amir's mom. Hello.
Hello.
Amir's mother is so nice to hug me while welcoming and making me tea. Yeah. Good morning from Yazd. I am walking with my host Amir.
Hello.
What's so special about Yazd? Don't walk too fast. Amir is angry with me because I'm taking so much time to get ready. So, but Amir is so kind to host me with his family, and his mom is so lovely, like you have no idea. I've been on couchsurfing for many years and his mom is top notch. So where are we going now, Amir?
Okay, goodbye.
This garden's name? The name of this garden, what is it?
Let's talk about.
Okay, so in this garden alone, I think it says that it has the tallest wind tower in the world, and the entrance ticket fee is 20,000 toman, which means 200,000 real for me and free for Amir. Sorry, why it's unfair, Amir? Why? A lot of buildings in Yazd looks like very old and ancient, a lot older than the one that we saw in Kashan. Just arrived at the Amir Chak. How do you say that? Amir Chakma. You see that the building is actually symmetrical. In the past, it used to be used for a religious ceremonial where people gather to actually celebrate different type of religious ceremony. These are wind towers. Behind me, it's actually a holy shrine of the unknown martyrs, the ones who died during the Iran-Iraq war. We're currently at the Yazd Cultural Bazaar, trying to buy a ring for Amir's mother. Sambose,
Yeah?
made of what? Potato, yeah? Potato. Do you like that?
Yeah, it's good. Bus stop waiting for the bus to go back home to Amir's place. Are you tired? No, I'm okay.
Amir, can you ask your mom, does she like the ring?
Yeah, I'm excited for you to do sushi.
Are? So I'm currently with...
He's my friend. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
He's,
I'm Shifa.
My name is Tayyip. You shaking hand?
Is it not allowed here?
No. I think you were slim.
It's only shaking hands. So I'm currently with another couch surfer. Introduce yourself. Hidayat. Hi.
Hi.
This is video. That was the Iranian traditional gym, and the building itself was quite old. It used to be a water reservoir for people to actually keep the water and cool down the water throughout the year. So traditionally the building was very old. However, the gym itself was very interesting to see, and a lot of them actually chanting to one of the...
Catcher.
Oh yeah, to the prophet. Wait. Yeah, those are one of those wind catchers, wind towers that I've been talking about. That's pretty much about it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Please make sure that you check out my other social media, my Patreon, and get to see you again. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye guys.
I'm going to drink some water. Oh, okay. Like this? Oh, oh. No? No? Oh. Okay.